Master, hey, have you heard about the Leonurus tree? I just come across its name and I'm curious. Assistant, yes, I'm familiar with it. The Leonurus tree, also known as Mother Word, is a herbaceous perennial plant. It's not exactly a tree, but rather a flowering plant. Master, oh, I got it. What's so special about the Leonurus tree? Does it have any unique features? Assistant. Absolutely. Motherhood is known for its medicinal properties. It's been used for centuries, centuries in traditional medicine, particularly for women's health issues. The leaves are often brewed into teas or tinctures. User interesting. What kind of health issue does it help with? Assistant. Mother Earth is believed that have various benefits such as reducing anxiety, alleviating menstrual discomfort, and supporting heart health. It's also used to promote relaxation and easy transition. Assistant, yes, motherhood is relatively easy to grow. It's quite hardy and can tolerate different soil conditions. It's recommended to plant it in wildering soil and provide it with partial shade. Master, that's good to know. How does it looks? Are the flowers attractive? Assistant, mother produce small pink or purple flowers that are clustered together. The leaves are lowered and have a distinct texture. Some people find its flowers charming, although it's not typically grown for ornamental purpose. Master, I see. One last question. Any productions to take when use it for medicine purpose? Assistant, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using motherhood for medicinal resource,